If you already have an agency or you're just starting one, the biggest bottleneck most people have is getting clients, okay? So in this video, I wanna share with you a very solid SMMA/agency marketing strategy that will get you more qualified sales calls, okay? Now, before we get into it, my name is Taylor Benchute. Welcome to the channel. We have over 300 videos on how to start and scale an agency. I have my own agency that does between $130,000 to $160,000 per month. Started it when I was 19 years old with no money, completely bootstrapped, was absolutely broke, living at my parents' house. So this will be a good video on how to bootstrap start your agency. I don't know how to start an agency with millions of dollars. We didn't do that with our agency, okay? So first of all, before we get into what you actually need to do to get these qualified leads or qualified sales calls, we need to start from the fundamentals. This is what actually comes first and which is tremendously more important. Service market fit, okay? What is the service that you're offering and what is the market that you're offering it to? Okay, I made a video recently about starting a TikTok ad agency, and the service offering would be TikTok advertising plus UGC, and the market that we'd be offering it to is e-com brands doing at least 7 figures per year. Okay, so that's service market fit. That this is and the fit part is most important, okay? Because it's a fit. It means that there is a market that wants that service, right? And ideally it's a blue ocean. I'm not gonna get into what blue ocean is. We talked about this in many videos. Blue ocean is just one that's not very competitive. So you're not swimming with sharks, and it's not a massive red bloody ocean that's so impossibly hard to compete in that you can't get any clients. It's service market fit. So once you have that, okay, great. Good website, super simple, could take you 1 to 3 days to build. Now you're ready. You're ready to do marketing, ladies and gents. If you have what you think is service market fit and you have a good website that can speak to that, great. Here's the marketing strategy. I would do, and this is exactly what I said in the other video, but I want to make this video because it's really important. 48 pieces of content. Okay, I would do 3 YouTube videos and 3 shorts. I would also post these shorts on TikTok. So essentially 9 pieces of content, but 6 are unique. I would commit to that for 2 months, right? That's 48 pieces of content. Now I would make sure that these videos are SEO optimized and make sure that they're edited well. They have a good call to action. There's a link in the description where the call to action is for them to book a call and talk about whatever my service offering is or whatever your service offering is. And it's done under your personal name. Okay, so it's your name. This is important because if you want to just make it under your brand, people resonate with people, right? People work with people. They don't work with brands. It's not a brand that closes the deal. It's you. It's a person on the phone. So use your personal name. Don't use your brand for whatever your agency is going to be called. This is a phenomenal inbound marketing strategy. If you're like, I don't like cold calls. I just don't like it. I don't like cold email. I don't want to do it. Okay, fine. Then this is the grind that you're going to have to go through. And in my opinion, this is the minimum viable grind that you should commit to. 48 pieces of content. Now, your channel does not have to be YouTube. It could be another channel. It depends on the service and the market. If you've found a quality service, service market fit, okay, cool. Maybe your market congregates on a different channel. Maybe it's LinkedIn. Maybe it's Facebook. I don't know. But YouTube, in my opinion, is in its own world. It's kind of like a blue ocean in itself for marketing. Okay, now it's not always the best for every market. Like I said, some markets are different. But if you're thinking of starting an agency or you already have one, try to find a market where they'll watch shit on YouTube because it's a phenomenal platform for building a brand and getting more leads. Okay, so ladies and gents, that in itself is the marketing strategy. Now it's super simple, it's super basic. I know that's why it's so great. If you have any questions, let me know your questions in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. There's way more complicated in-depth videos on this channel. If you're already doing 30, 40, 50,000 per month, you can go check out those videos. And without further ado, if you haven't already joined the waitlist for Agency Birth, this is a program that'll help you go from $0 to $10,000 per month. And we're probably gonna launch it for free. It's a program/community. This is the idea behind it. When is it gonna launch? I don't know. I've been telling people it's gonna launch soon, forever. So we'll see. But it's just exciting. Yeah, so check that out if you haven't. And also if you're already like an agency owner that's doing, $50,000, $60,000 a month, you want to get to over 100, or you're doing 20, 15, $30,000 a month, you want to get to 100. That's what Agency Enlightened's all about. So you can go to the link in the description of this video, and there's a section where you can book a call with me and we can do a free agency audit, which is really valuable in helping identify the bottleneck for your agency that you need to solve to be able to scale to that 100,000 per month, 7-figure level, whatever. So much love, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to watch another one that's extremely valuable, I just selected it for you, and you can check it out by clicking it right there on the other side of the screen across from my face. All right, friend, enjoy. Thanks for watching the channel.